This is oyster mushroom, prawns, garlic, chili, spring onion, coriander, lemon, fish sauce. This is the ingredient for the our dish today.
Roll intro.
Hi everybody, welcome to Pi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to cook something with the oyster mushroom. What the benefit we can get from this one? This is high protein, high vitamins and antioxidants. And not only that, we also low calorie, cholesterol free, and help the immune system. The one we're doing today, we use fish sauce. If the people vegan, you can use the light soy sauce or take out the prawn. Just if the can see the big one, you can cut into half. If not, you cannot put in your mouth. Okay, we slice coriander, spring onion, chili. I think this one should be a little bit hot. If you cannot handle hot, you can put less chili. Garlic. If you like shallot, you can put a little bit more of shallot. Lots of ingredients. Oh, this one herb, good for your health. The oyster mushroom, that one about 200 grams. Then we put 2 lemon. But if you like more sour, you can add another lemon or. About 2 minutes you boil this mushroom. Easy to cook. Don't do it overcook. Become shrink like old woman. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, get rid of the water. Then we mix in here. And boil the prawn. Then we mix in here. Now fish sauce. Okay, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. And lemon. Okay, now you can mix it. Oh, yummy, yummy. This one sugar free. This is finished for yum oyster mushroom. Easy to cook, very quick, fresh and healthy. I hope you try to cook at home. And don't forget to like, subscribe and bang the bell. Thank you. Bye.